Space-saving indoor bike storage. Featuring an innovative low-impact stand design, the Michelangelo 2 bike rack garage simply leans against the wall and uses gravity to secure up to 2 bicycles. Hassle-free assembly. The Michelangelo garage bike rack takes minimal effort and expertise to install. All you need is a screwdriver. Assembly hardware and a wall strap is included to create a secure wall bike rack in minutes. Fully adjustable bicycle storage. Arms accommodate any bike size or style, up to 40 lbs. Support arms are repositioned with a simple twist, no tools needed, which means this rack is easy to adjust once assembled. Quality steel construction. This large-capacity vertical bike rack securely holds up to 2 bikes and a total weight of 80 lbs. Durable rubber feet keep this standing bike rack securely in place while protecting your floors. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect bike storage solution for a small apartment. I use this stand to vertically store my extra small women's hybrid bicycle flat against the wall. I've been using it for a few days now and couldn't be happier. I share a 500 square foot apartment and this stand takes up virtually none of the limited floor space. Surprisingly sturdy and cool looking. Highly recommended.